soul tie with me. She has to break the soul tie with you. And so that's where we started the next day. But when that demon of hate manifested in her, it just looked at me and just said, "You're not going to get her." And then she said, as I was talking to the demon, she said, "I can't separate the spirit from me. I can't do it." And so it was just such a fascinating thing. We had cast out a lot. She was feeling a lot of relief. But we got to that place, and I was thinking, wow, are we just going to have to stop and get her up to Oklahoma? All kind of things run through your mind. And, I was doing, I had the angels in, I was doing all that. And having the demon confess what they're saying before Jesus and Holy Spirit, doing all that. Well, anyway, that one didn't beat. We did test that one out. And the others, there were any number that left. He had told us there were 78. Told me how many angels he saw. He said there were 78 there. So I don't know.
Wow. That's a lot.
That
mobile home.
It was a lot. And so I said, how many angels do you see? He said 8. This is 25 feet. So there were. So the next day we came back, and the first thing we did was, and we prayed over her that first day before we left. And then the next day when she came back, and I told her that we needed to break the soul tie with me first. That was a powerful work. And so so much happened during that, and some things that she said she didn't need to do were done in that session. And there was such a release and just forgiveness with others that had been involved with me that had damaged her. That all came up. That didn't even come up the day before. So that was a really powerful time, and she didn't even realize that there was so much unforgiveness. So, we know that unforgiveness blocks a lot in this work. So doing that, then I was able to pull up the head demon, which was the spirit of lies. The spirit of lies had controlled her all these years. And then Eugenia and I continued to process through things. And she came here this morning, and we were talking through this, and gave me permission to share all this on the air. And what she said was, what the spirit of lie was hiding behind was the spirit of hatred. And so once that was gone, then